Welcome back to Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, welcome back to Checkout Guy YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to show cash on delivery based on product tag. There will be some products you need cash on delivery to be available. For other products, you might not need cash on delivery to be available for them. So for this, I'm using the Nex Advanced Cash on Delivery app from Shopify App Store. You can also install this app from Shopify App Store, or I also attach the app link in the description of this video. So after installing the app, you'll come to the home page of the app. You can see a section limit cash on delivery. Click on this configure button and enable the feature. Then select the cash on delivery payment method. That's the first step. So after selecting, you have an optional step. So if you already have a cash on delivery fees added with using this particular app, you can enable that and you can select the delivery method from there, right? So I didn't add any fees, so I'm just disabling it. You can skip it. So next section is adding the rules. So you have different sections. So we already made videos on different sections. You'll be able to see in our playlist. So after this, we do restrict based on product tag. This video is about show cash on delivery. So for some product tags, so I'm enabling this. So I'm from the match type, you can select show COD for this product tags. So I'm just giving some tags like COD can be one tag. You can have different tags also. So I'm just giving only COD tag, which has COD, right? So I'm saving the rules. Now the rule is active, but one case is you need to add the tag also in the product section also. For example, this particular product, we are adding a COD tag. So you can see COD tag. So I'm just removing the no COD one and only having the COD one and saving the changes, right? For this product, we have cash on delivery. For all other products, we don't have cash on delivery, right? For the products which are tagged as COD. Just reloading it once. So I'm trying to purchase this product and click on buy now. And you can see COD is not available for this product. So because it's not have the COD tag. So I'm trying some other products. So this is the product we given COD tag. If I try to buy this one, you can see cash on delivery is available. So this is how you can easily set up show cash on delivery based on product tag. And I hope this video will help you to boost your sales. And if you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Happy selling.